Okay, we are at um, 206 East Gate on the garage side of the house. Asphalt driveway. It is cedar siding, asphalt shingles. There is a U-shaped drive here. It's way down the hill to the street. We've got some dead wood here. I mention that because we do have a tree down here that was also dead wood, and it fell across an electrical wire here that needs to be removed. We have a stone walkway to the front of the house. The siding is actually in good shape. It does need some work on these decks here, and I'm not sure that that roof is shot. It may be due for a replacement, but it doesn't appear to have any issues where it might be leaking. Another little deck there on the front of the house. Big A-frame middle here. Let's go ahead inside. Locksmith was unable to rekey this door and to keep a hasp on it here because it's a mortise type door, and whoever initially rekeyed it took the inside half out. Now you walk in this tile foyer here, steps up and steps down. We'll go ahead and go up first. This railing is not to code at all. Up here it's okay because there's glass, tempered glass actually, along there. We have carpeted floor up here. We have a sunken living room with a wood-burning fireplace. Carpet, probably not in good condition. This seat here is not in great condition. And behind it was some sort of a little pond. It appears that second window in might have seal failure. A lot of dark on the ceiling in here. And I think some of that over there is actually mold. And to the left here, off of this living room, is, I don't know what this room is, honestly. It does have a closet in it, and it has access to that deck, which has a hot tub on it that's probably not functional. Carpeted in here. This double door, I believe, leads to the master bedroom. Wallpapered everywhere in this house. A mirrored wall, some cracks in the ceiling, hardwired smoke, and CO. Well, I don't know if those are CO. Part of the alarm system. Sliding glass doors here to the deck. Not a lot of issues in here. I mean, certainly would want to get rid of that glass wall, put new flooring in, get rid of this wallpaper. I think this is wallpaper. Yeah, wallpaper. New light fixtures throughout. Tile into this bathroom here, which has a sliding door off of it going over that way. Really dated vanity here. There's the closet back there, walk-in closet for the master. Lots of glass block here. This is a jetted tub. I'm sure it's in poor condition. Wallpaper coming off, mold behind it. Mold on the ceiling in here as well. We have a shower stall that doesn't appear to be in decent condition. And behind the glass block, we have a toilet and a bidet. More wallpaper, more cracks in the ceiling. Through this sliding door off of this bathroom leads us to this balcony area here. This also railing has glass. over here, but not along the steps, which is, again, would be a code violation by today's standards. A bookshelf built in here. I think it's built in off of this room. We have some sort of a room with controls in it for phone and security, as well as shelving. And there was also a sink here at one time. From this level leads down to another level with bedrooms. 2. Carpeted, wallpapered, lots of light fixtures. Decent sized closets with built-ins. That door won't open, not sure what the problem is. This one has a bunch of cabinetry built into it. Certainly want that to come out. Let's have windows that overlook the lower level. And this bedroom also has its own sink. Off of it is a Jack and Jill bathroom. Also wallpapered. Vanity. To the left in here, this is tile floor. We have a sunken tub. Not jetted though. And this bathroom overlooks that gymnasium as well. Also in this bathroom we have another set of doors here, which leads to the toilets and a shower stall. It's actually not in terrible condition. And off of that, there's another room which really houses nothing but a hot water heater, electric. There's a Jack and Jill, leads to this bedroom here, which also overlooks that gymnasium. Wallpaper, carpet, poor condition. I'm seeing mold behind some wallpaper here. I just took a little piece down, it was falling off. Notice it. 3 closets in here, or 2 closets in here, and its own sink as well. Looks like it's missing some baseboard trim over there. The doorway leads out again to this balcony area here. I pause and go down a level. Alrighty, we're down 1 level here. Again, more wallpaper, carpet in poor condition, drywall ceiling down, 1 layer of it anyway. On this layer here we have another bathroom with a tile, just an old dated vanity, very modern at its time. A separate water closet for the commode, broken window, and in this little room we have a very interesting tub shower combo with skylights. It looks like a couple of them might have seal failure, the pieces of glass. It's a very interesting tub with a curved surround. Off of this we have another bedroom. Unremarkable other than the mold. This is a below grade room, partially below grade. Nothing much to see here. You see mold all over this too. Back out here, this is like a family room area, I believe. Well, it has a bar. The bar is actually sunken. Steps down in there, lousy carpet, sink looks pretty old. Some drywall patching done there. A lot of mold on the ceilings in this level. This is all cedar in this room here. Oh, open type closet here. I don't really know what it's for. Some sort of a display case. There's another bedroom on this level, which also has significant mold in it. A lot of little built-in shelving units in here. And that closet has a lot of mold in it as well. Sort of a hole burned into the carpet there. Not sure what that's from. You can see some water damage down here as well on this wallpaper, which is like a bamboo wallpaper. On this level it's down one from the front entrance. We also have this pond here, inside pond. The components are gone, so there's a return drain. There's where the pump would be or is. Electrical over there. Not working this time. This is a real piece of a tree. This room also, you see it has this bench thing here. Steps down, just like the room above it did, to another family room, I guess. Another fireplace, wood burning. And access to the back patio. Again, a lot of mold in here. Also on this level is access to utility room. Well, first there's this room. I don't know what this room was used for. It is carpeted. There was something there. No idea what. Room extends into here. There's more mold. This is the front wall of the house. Water line going outside. Some sort of a closet here and a timer. Across the hall from that room is the main utility room, where we have a electric hot water heater. Looks to be in poor condition. 2 furnaces, gas fired, a lot of rust on that. Excuse me. House is moldy. A lot of rust down here. I think this room took some water at some point while it was vacant. Unit number 2, same condition. Water softener system. Don't know where that pipe goes or where it was. Not sure what any of this is. Coming in from below grade. So here's the actual well pump, or excuse me, well pressure tanks, and they have 2 controlled air water tank. I don't know. It's unusual to see 2. Here's the controls for the well pump. Somebody's got to take it apart. My understanding was that somebody was trying to buy this. They had a generator here and they were trying to fire the well pump testing. Apparently they were not successful. I don't know what that's, some sort of an alarm bell. And this level leads to the 3-car garage as well. Again, we have mold. Garage has its own gas-fired heater. Unknown condition. This gas line disconnected here. Was connected there. I'm not sure what this is for. That's for the septic system. Must be an aerator control box. Probably would need new garage doors, refinished in here. 3-panel system, each one 200 amps, so it's a 600 amp house. Electrician's coming early this week to inspect it to see if it can be fired up. Somebody tried once before and it was not approved. Let's pause to go down to the next level down. Okay, we just passed that perspective. We came from that barred area. This steps down. There's no railing on these steps. That's clearly not going to fly long term. This was some sort of a family room. It definitely took on some water, and we definitely have mold here as well. Also, like, this door will not open. There's, I think, hardwood flooring under this carpet, and it buckled in several places. I noted it walking through. We have a bank of closets here. So you can see there is, in fact, this hardwood flooring underneath this carpet, but it's in poor condition. Mold on the ceiling as well. Built-in shelving here. I think this was just for the entertainment equipment, and a little kitchenette down here as well, in poor condition and quite old. This hole here, I think, mounted a projection screen for TV. Here's that hardwood floor. This is a large portion of this room, 2 stories. I think this is some sort of cork. And this houses the basketball hoop. See those windows up there? So 2 of them from one bedroom, one I think from the bathroom, and those are from the other bedroom. We've got to go to the main level where the kitchen is, so we're going to pause to get up there. Actually, back to this room where that hot tub was. There's a room here I think we might have missed earlier. I'm guessing it was used as a closet. Not sure what else it would have been used for. There's something mounted, so it was probably a large walk-in closet. Oh, and the hardwood flooring there. I have to assume there's hardwood flooring under all this carpet, which is actually a really good thing. All right. I don't think we came up stairs. I don't know. I think we covered this sunken room. We did. Okay, off the sunken room here leads into the kitchen and dining areas. I believe this is a formal dining room. Trade ceiling, tile floor, access to the deck, built-in china cabinets. This direction, same tile floor. I guess this is a less formal eating area. It's quite large. Unremarkable, it does have a textured ceiling. Some built-in over here. And towards the kitchen, we had this little peninsula. I'm not sure what was mounted under here. This also has access to a small deck which leads out to the front yard. Above the little peninsula, this cabinet. This room here, I guess this is the eat-in portion of the kitchen. Some serious damage from these skylights, I'm assuming, leaking. Not 100% on that. Same tile floor in this kitchen area. There is some damage on these tiles. Probably need to be replaced. Interesting little setup here in this island. Plenty of cabinetry in here. And the cabinetry is not in bad condition. We do have a Sub-Zero refrigerator and a Sub-Zero refrigerator side by side here. Both 36 inches. Pretty well dated. Quite old. Probably in poor condition. 2 ovens. And there's some high end. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'll try Gaggenau. Sounds like some sort of a German one, but they are older. Same manufacturer for this gas cooktop here with the grill. Just all very dated. I don't see a fan, but it might, I don't know. Exhaust fan. The cabinets, again, are not in bad condition, but countertops are tile. That's really not today's standard at all. We have this cutting and drain board here. A Miele dishwasher, pretty old. And a KitchenAid trash compactor, probably not functional. Sink, a little bit dated. It's got a hot dispenser, a cold dispenser, and the regular faucet as well. This was quite a kitchen 25, 30 years ago. Off the back of the kitchen, we have a hallway, leads to the deck through that door. We also have a half bath. Fancy painted ceiling. Again, just dated fixtures, sink, dated toilet. Hall closet here, another one, and access to the laundry room. Those are not very high-end cabinets at all. Laminate. No washer and dryer here. Access to an attic space. Electric dryer, not gas, surprisingly. And I think we've covered the entire interior. We'll do a separate video. Now we'll just continue it for outside, the back of the house. Okay, we're stepping out to the back patio. We do have mountain views here, by the way. A deck above this patio here. I have some concerns about this deck. Primarily, this beam is in poor condition. Substantial rot at that post. Some rot at this one, not substantial. Those steps up to the deck are in poor condition. And this beam has rotted significantly on this post as well. Neither one of these AC units is actually connected. Don't know the status of them. Gas meter. And you can see up on the deck as well, there's some holes in a few of the deck boards, not a lot up there. Backyard goes down, pretty significant cliff back there. Steps to the pool. This stone should be resecured so someone doesn't fall. Unknown condition of the pool under that tarp. Must be a deep pool. It did have a diving board. The siding on this house is actually in pretty good shape. I don't see really much of anything that needs work. Could probably use a new stain finish. That tree really should go. Gutters are filled with stuff. Some downspouts not connected properly. The yard is enclosed. The backyard is enclosed with a fence. This building here is like a changing room for the pool, and this one next to it is where the pump and the heater are for the pool. On the front here, now look, there's 3 AC units up there. There is some damaged fence over there, a tree fell on it. They've got water lines running all over this backyard. I don't know where they go, everywhere, or what they're for. You can see the fence. We have another section of fence damage back here. Again, it looks like something fell on it. Significant drop off here. Oops. Down to that fence. There's also a dog run over here. Well overgrown inside of it, and a little dog house in it as well. There you can see a small tree that fell on them. This tree here fell. Septic's out here. This is the septic field. There's a tank up here with the aerator in it. Observation port of some sort there. Let's take a quick look back here. Here's that dog fence, dog run. You can see this drops off. Gate back there does have a cable lock on it. Another section of fence slightly damaged. Fence goes way down there off that cliff. You can see these water lines running here, and they have faucets on them. A couple of faucets out here. There's another one way over there. And this black pipe runs over here. It's not really sure what they were doing. Looks like it ends right there. Significant drop off back here to the backyard. You can see the fence is way down there. And just to give a better view of the exterior of the house. I think we need to have that roof inspected. Again, I don't know that it's as bad a shape as some people have previously reported. Take a look at it.